The Priceless Princess. Section the hair from ear to ear as shown. Make sure you get enough hair from the top into the ponytail. This ponytail needs to be tight, and straight hair without curl is perfectly fine. Look down near the fingers in the photo and put in an elastic in that location of your ponytail. Flip the entire ponytail forward, and you want to pin securely into the scalp just before the elastic. Notice the dots. Do not bobby pin the very edges. They need to flow freely. Flip the hair back over away from the face and tuck the ends in and bobby pin close to that elastic. This step may take a few tries. Notice the crisscross bobby pins. Sometimes the simplest of styles are the most difficult. I know you got this. The way the hair flows will be different based on the hair you're using. There is no tease in this look, and it's perfectly fine for silky straight hair. It's very chic and very simple. I made that headpiece with a pin and some ornaments from the craft store. Thanks for watching.